Hey guys, it's August 9 and about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's been a few days since I've been out here. Well, a few days since I've recorded anything out here, and I haven't really done a lot either. The last time I was out here, I finished all the cloth up here on the felt on the roof. See if we can get a better shot of that. We've had a few sprinkles right after I did that, not too much going on. But on top of that, yesterday we had the remnants of that Hurricane Debbie, I think, made it all the way over here. So we had a decent pour job, quite a bit of rain. So I'm seeing some pretty decent wet spots out here as well. We probably got more where we live than here, but anyway, I'm out here today on my own. I guess Roger came out yesterday and dug a couple of footings. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is pouring that. We're going to be putting that entrance that I said here. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but we got a midway inspection for our framing, and we failed a few things. And maybe not, I don't know. Roger's gonna have a little talk with that inspector on a couple of things that he disagrees with him, and then there are a couple of legitimate things that we needed to fix, so we'll be doing that maybe this weekend sometime, I don't know. Anyway, so I am gonna get after this. All right, it's been a few days since I've been out here. Boy, I'm not used to this. Get out of the truck and I'm instantly completely wet, basically. So I had a little bit of rebar left over. I actually have some big pieces over there, but I found a little piece, and I bent it a little bit. I don't know if it's going to help or not. I'm thinking it's going to keep the core of the footer maybe a little bit more secure. And then I have a bunch of that, not necessarily chicken wire, but galvanized mesh that I put around the nursery, the tree nursery. So I cut a couple squares and put it over some rebar, and I'm hoping that will at least the core help keep the core of that strong. All right, so we got some cement here and concrete, and I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing that over here. I brought a bucket of water from down there from all the rain we had. We had a bunch of buckets that were full, and my wheelbarrow was down there and it had water in it, so that was nice. Go ahead and mix this up and see what we get. Alright guys, I haven't been out here that long, but boy am I soaking. Oh boy. Alright, so nothing fancy, just tried to make sure the bolts were straight up and down. Tried to make sure the tops of those were pretty flat. Most likely we'll be covering that in with dirt anyway, but Hopefully I didn't need more concrete. I'm not sure if Roger was wanting me to go all the way to the top. I had 5 bags of 80 pounds, so 400 pounds of concrete. I'm not quite sure how many yards that covers, but basically it worked out to be 2.5 bags per hole, so I'm hoping that will hold it, especially I got a little bit of rebar and that metal mesh in there. So next thing I got to do is I'll take a couple things back down to the shed and lock it up, and then I'm going to pull this trailer back up a little bit, chalk it, and leave it here. All that wood I bought the other day to put this entryway in, so that'll all start being used up here pretty soon. And the other thing I'm thinking about doing is getting some roofing supplies. Maybe not all of them, because if I did all of them, I'd probably need the trailer. But if I did just a few bundles, I could put them in the back of the truck, and we can take a few up to the top, and then when we have time to kill or whatever, I can go ahead and do a few of those. Also, Diego has tomorrow off, so if I had a few of those, we might be able to start tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm thinking about all that. I feel like it's a good time to kind of catch up and get ahead, but then at the same time, you can't do a whole lot before you do another thing. So we'll see. It's 12:20. I haven't been here too long, have I? I changed my mind on leaving the trailer. I took everything off and moved it on here. And I'm going to go ahead and order my roofing materials and get those on here. So anytime I have a chance at getting help out here to get those up there, like I think Diego might be available tomorrow, I'll have that stuff here and I can get it up there with his help. All right, we'll see you guys next time I'm out here. All right, guys, August 16. Roger and I got out here, started a little after 9. It's almost 2 now. He just left a little bit ago. You guys know me. I don't film when Roger's around. It's too... he's here to help me, not to be filmed or instruct anyone else, I guess. You just got to know his personality. He's not like that. So anyway, we kept working on the entryway. I think we made some good progress. It looks pretty good. Yeah, we did a lot today, actually. The trusses, or the whatever you want to call those rafters that we put in, made a big difference. Made it look like we were doing something today. So it's looking good. I like it. But that's all we've done, and then Roger will meet me back out here on Sunday, a couple days from now, and we'll keep doing that. But I think I can get Diego out here to help me do some stuff tomorrow. All right, we will see you guys the next time I'm out here. Good morning, everybody. It's August 17, just after 9 o'clock in the morning. Back out here. Diego is supposed to have been here already. Hopefully he shows up soon. Yesterday I bought a couple of these 2x6s so we can do the fascia today, hopefully along both sides. Got some OSB down here. Hopefully we can put one piece at least up on each side. And I'm really excited that my wood stove came in and got that. So I need that to be able to know where I'm going to cut in the roof up here and put my chimney. So this is I needed this also somewhere in here. There should be directions about how far away from the wall this is supposed to be and all that stuff. So anyway, that's gonna get Diego to help me move that over there as well. So, and possibly plumber is coming out today, the guy that I'm gonna try to use for putting on all the plumbing. So I went and bought him some supplies. We're working the deal where I'm buying the supplies and he's doing the work, so we'll see how that goes. So got lots going on today. All right, let's get to work. Yeah, the young guys do. Here's Athena. This is the newest member of the family. This is Diego and Liana's dog.
Somebody was shooting a while ago and she got a little scared.
All right. So we put this fascia on both sides, and now we're putting the plywood on. All right, guys, it's a little after 12, so I put it a little over 3 hours in today. It's already 91 degrees here. This is supposed to be the hottest day of the week, and now we're going to start cooling down. Weather should start getting better, I hope, a little bit for a short period of time anyway. Put my trailer back over there, put tractor over there, unloaded all the guys' plumbing stuff here that I have. I guess he's going to show up today, but a lot later, and I'm not going to be here. So we'll figure that stuff out later. Diego and I got this fascia put on, and plywood, OSB. We moved all of the stuff from the center wall right here and kind of moved it out, cleaned things up. So the plumber's going to be dealing right along this wall, and I just wanted to get that cleaned up for him. Got the wood stove in there so I can measure that later on. So yeah, it's coming together. We got a little bit done today. That's what it looked like from in here. I think it looks pretty good. So tomorrow Roger and I are supposed to fill all this in and put the connecting to the house up there and all that stuff. So and I'll tie it all together. All right, well, we'll see you guys the next time I'm out here. Hey guys, August 18. Gotta wipe this water off of my glasses. It's a little after 2 o'clock. We started about 9. Roger left at probably like 11. Left me to kind of do some more on my own, but this is what we got done. We got the connection of the entryway done up to the house, and believe it or not, only like probably 10 minutes ago or less, I was up there putting that paper on. A little bubbly. Hopefully this is gonna all like wear it down, flatten it. So I got caught up there. It was just starting to sprinkle when I was finishing. Got everything put in the truck, taken down to the shed and unloaded. So yeah, I have an excuse to be done. I gotta go up here and unplug the cord from the breaker up there, and we'll be done. It seems that Roger is gonna be not available for a while now. He's got other things he's got to do, so it's just gonna be me and whoever can help me. So hopefully I'll get a little bit more on film, a little bit more video for you guys, a little bit more how to do stuff or how I'm doing stuff and the trials and tribulations I'm going through. But you know, it's kind of nice to be just standing under the entryway right now. It's completely dry. Pretty cool. Yeah, see, that's going to be a fun gutter problem right there, or where a gutter will need to go. It's dripping pretty good already. Hey, I'm looking at the drip strip, kind of hard to see probably with the camera, but that's working and diverting water off the roof, so good stuff. All right, I'll see you guys. I plan on being out here tomorrow. Hopefully I will be, or anyway, the next time I'm out here, I will see you guys.